Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can enable and disable Hey Google on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So in order to do that, first we need to go to the settings. Then in the settings you want to scroll down and find Google options. So let's go to Google. Now switch to all services category and then scroll down and go to settings for Google Apps. Over here choose Search, Assistant and Voice. Finally here we can go to Google Assistant. And at the top we have Hey Google and Voice Match, so let's go there. If you have this option enabled, then you can tap on the slider in order to turn it off. If you didn't enable this option yet, then you can simply tap on the slider and then you will start configuring your Hey Google feature. Of course you need to agree to certain policies, and after that you will need to repeat everything that is being displayed on the screen. So go through these sentences, tell them out loud, and after that you should be using Google, Hey Google. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.